What's up guys, how are you? It's your boy Sunshine. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can create a what just happened? So how you can create a driving simulator prototype with as a written title with Unity and C#. So let's get so, sorry. So let's get into it. So first you need a pencil. Okay, I was just joking. So first you need to create a map type of thing. Okay, so let's see the dates. You can see. And I have no problem. So this is a roadmap that I created just before the video. Just before. So now put it here, and I made a PDF for it, and you know what I'm talking, and just just as you can see on the screen, this is named as not here, not on the page. It's named as there. It's here, and you can get this game map in my description. So just download the starter files and the game map from there, please. Without them, without the game map you can make it, but without the starter files you can't. Okay. So now let me explain you that. C equal to cones that you see on the construction sites and on the sometimes on the roads. O means obstacle boxes that you see, that like creates time. B means the barriers, the police barriers kind of thing. This tank-like structure means vehicle. This means vehicle, and also known as the player, because the player person that is controlling it tank thingy is in the pure control of the player. Then if this box means avoiding vehicles, as you can see this box with up arrows and the box with down arrows. So the up arrow means it's going towards the player, down arrow means it's going to far from the player. Okay, you can see, and this will happen in so many after 2 to 3 parts for this video. So in this first part we'll only create not write any code, we'll only create a layout. So to create that layout I'll show you in Unity. So here is Unity. I opened it, and you must be thinking why I'm getting like this. So let me first do. So what I did is I clicked on Essence. I import package, custom package. Then I imported the starter files that I gave in the description of this video, and I can tell again, if you have any problem or doubt, you can just DM me on Discord. My username will also be in the description. For this, and click on open. I'm getting this nothing to import, but you'll get the big list. Just click on all that will be in the left side of the new window, and click on OK. No, don't click on it, will be import instead of OK. Then just click on import, not OK, import. then just open scenes and click on prototype 1 and delete that sample scene. So now what you need to do is make the layout. Okay, what's happening? Yeah, I'm by mistake. This all down. Press just create. So first you need a vehicle. So just open this course library, vehicles, and this. So you can, as you can see, I can see it. So it will be like this for you. You have to expand that. So let me do so. Okay. What just happened? So so I did it. You can also do it. I think so. You cannot see the preview right now because of my webcam. So no worries. So this is a tank, armored car, tank type of thingy. This is a bus. The many blue car, red truck, and this delivery van. So I think so. I am gonna use this tank. It's small, not too big, and it's okay. Good looking. So just drag in this hierarchy here. So as you can see, it came in the just as you can see the position. It's 0 0 0. Let me yeah 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, the scale is 1 1 1. You don't have to mess with the scale. Don't. Okay, as you can see, it's so good. This is the inside. There's nothing like much. But when you go straight, you'll see you can aim here. That's it. Okay, I'm just joking. So this is our tank. Okay. This is the kind of an armored tank, and you must be thinking how, if you are new to Unity, how am I moving so fast? So you know the basic controls: W to fly forward, S to fly backward, A to fly towards the left, D to fly, and E to fly towards upward, S to down, and when you press shift, it increases your speed. And like I'm lost somewhere now. Oh sorry. Like I'm lost somewhere now. So I can just click F. Let timer card click shit. Let timer click F. Okay. So when you click F, it just takes us to it. And when you press Alt, you can get a better, and left click you can just get a better view. And when you click Alt and right click, you can just zoom in and zoom out, as you can see. Okay, we don't have the time. So now what we need to do is add an obstacle and some barriers. So to do that, sorry, I would open the wrong one. This is the grounded road, and the sky is that sky, and this mountain sky. So then just click, you can see the preview here in your Unity, and just move it up and down, left, right to see how it looks. There's a crane that I showed you in the my map. So this is the cone that I showed you. Okay, I didn't make it so exact like this, but now you can understand. This rock boulder, this is a rock. It's phone, the thingy you seen. I don't know where you can see it, but okay. But this is, I think so, you see in factories too, that they roll things around. Like, you see this, I think you have seen this in cartoons. I think so. So we need this barrier, this crate, and this cone. So first we'll create the obstacle path. The road is very big, so we'll leave this, like one obstacle will be here, then we'll leave these two lines here. So what you need to do is, where's the barrier? Where's the crate? Oh. Okay. So this is that crate. Then double click on it and create a new scene. See that? Then click on this scene again. Go back. Then click on this crate and drag it into the hierarchy. So it will be set to 0, 0, 0 as I move the Z value. So first we'll leave this will be here. Then we'll duplicate it. 1, 2 here. Then we'll select this both and duplicate them both. Then 1, 2 here. Then we'll duplicate all of them. Control D for duplicate. Okay, it's getting out of my screen. 1, 2, I think so it should be here. Then we can duplicate them again. There's so many cones. Okay, and here it's ready. As you can see, it's kind of good looking. Okay, this is a globe. Okay, just you see, this is a globe, kind of. This is the Earth. This is our planet type of thingy. This is our game planet. You can call it game planet. Let me go. So yeah. So then what will we do is just place some barriers. So like here, go to barrier, drag it into the hierarchy. Where is it? Okay, then just click this right arrow, go to the rotate tool, the green one, rotate it like this. Then just go to the move tool again, click on this red arrow. Okay, it should be at the corner, dead corner. See this? Then you have to add one. Okay, let me see. Okay, cone. It's okay. One cone just here. You can just drag it like this, and just then select both of these and duplicate them, and you can do that. Duplicate. To do this on the both sides, duplicate. Okay. Duplicate. So I'll fast forward this part so that because a lot of it has been left. So let's fast forward this part. Okay, the hierarchy is quite a bit messy now, but we can fix that later. Okay, duplicate. Oh my god, so many. I think this is this one. Yeah, let's click click on this arrow, just like this. Okay. I don't know why the barriers didn't be there, but no worries. Like now, quite a road left, so select all of them, control the duplicate. Just see how many more it takes. Oh. All of them are in, no, not all. See this, okay, it's underground, seriously. So first we pull this, up, okay, now we pull it. It should be on the dead corner. So now it's on the corner. Okay, it's in the air. Just bring it on the corner. So now it also, okay. And okay, white to bit are left, but no worries. Rock barrier, and just select all these. Duplicate. When you duplicate it, just go to the y-axis and the blue arrow. Okay, I think that's good. Then we click from here to here, to here, to here, to here. Yeah, take all of them. So somewhere just like, see. So a minute. Yeah guys, so just like this. Okay, it's not pretty aligned, but I'll do so after this video. So I think so our layout is just as ready. You can just make it more perfect. I will do it. Okay, what just happened? Oh, I clicked on 2D by mistake. So first, then we'll go to the end, add some more barrier and cone. So now this barrier here and a barrier here. So now our layout is pretty much pretty ready. It's really looking pretty good. So in the next episode, we'll give all these gravity and make the vehicle move forward. So make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video, and if you have any questions, just DM me on Discord. Bye bye.